Hey, what's up YouTube? Jared07 here, and I got myself an unboxing for a Griffin auxiliary cable. Yeah, I ordered it off their site. I think it cost me around $40 or $50, I think. I'm not sure. I'll put it in the description. And as you can see, it's gold plated at the end, 6 feet. Works on laptops, MP3s, TV, tablet, whatever, you get the point. 22 gauge wire, and it's got the flat profile like this, so it's not supposed to tangle. Yeah, okay. And here, just let me open it up for you. Okay, this is what it looks like when I finally took it out. Just let me focus on it. It's pretty nice, You have a choice of a couple of colors. I have a choice of red, blue. There's black, and then there's white, and then I think there's yellow also. I chose blue because blue's awesome. I checked out some, not reviews of this exact cable because I couldn't find any reviews of it being gold tipped, but just the regular one. They say that the cable is really good. My friend has it, and it has good quality, I guess. People say it's better than the monster cable, but it costs a lot more, I guess. So guys, here you go. It's a review of my monster auxiliary cable, 6 feet, 1.8 meters. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Okay, peace.